All right, I'm done with trying YouTube's version of recording, so I'm just going to do back to my old way so it won't keep cutting me off. So once again, I'm trying to figure out if this equation has direct variation, and this was kind of that trickier lesson. Remember, direct variation needs to be in the format y equals mx. All right. Anytime you start adding or subtracting some number, so like +4 or -3, it changes it and no longer will have direct variation. So we look at this. Is there direct variation? Yes or no? And if it does, usually kids will say, yes, there's direct variation because it is in the format y equals mx plus b. If it does not have direct variation, they usually say it does not have direct variation because it is not in the format y equals mx. Oh, I keep saying b because you're going to learn that shortly, just not yet. So again, yes, direct variation because it's in y equals mx, or no, not direct variation because it is not in y equals mx format. The last part, finding the slopes. So again, it is the change of the y's. So I could do 6 minus 3 over the change in the x values. So again, if I started with this one here as my first, then I have to do this one as my first here. -3 minus 1. And this equals 6 minus 3 is 3. -3 minus 1 is -4. And I would call that my slope equals -3/4. I just move it up. It's fine that it's here. It's just no one writes it that way. Whoops, I just gave you the answer. I wasn't supposed to do that. All right, just remember, again, the change of y over the change of x. So make sure you're doing your y's, then you're doing your x's. All right, good luck.